So we are here once again. This is day 3 of October, our trading day of October. I mean today. Yeah, day 3. And how did the market unfold? So initially on GBP we had prospective sales. Yeah, we were actually expecting sales due to structure. I said on the 4H, yeah, back into this area. On the 4H right here, we had price. I told you guys, price in this area, this is whole structure. All of these sales started from here and ended here. So of course, price above here right now invalidates this structure. So perhaps we are most likely looking out for more buys to the upside. Yeah, I said, if we paid attention to our last zone, we said price above here to give us that indication that we're going for a full retracement. Somewhere back to this area, continue the trend. But yeah, we already have price carrying out this area. So, but now for the current structure, we already see price is bullish. We see price have cleared out this high, giving us a new high. So there are possibilities that we could have price retested and pushing up further. Anyways, let's go into the 1H so we can see what we have. So currently on the 1 hour time frame, let me take this out. On the 1 hour time frame, we currently had price giving us a high, coming down here, giving us a higher low. All of these sales, because of these sales, though I left at this area because here, if I go down to the smaller time frame on the 5 minutes, you can clearly see somewhere around this area, this was a lower high. So I just had my SLR around it because, of course, price above here, indicating for more buy. We have price pushing up for that, retesting, pushing up, coming out to retest this level again, and of course, buying up further some more. So back to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, back to the 1 hour time frame now. We've had price pushing up further. So there are chances we could see price. Let me take this out. There are chances we could see price dropping down somewhere into this area and pushing up further because we already have price giving us a new high. Don't forget, guys, the market moves high to high, low to low. You feel me? If you're buying, market move high to high. If you're selling, market moves low to low. So now we have price giving us a new higher high. So there are chances we could see price giving us a higher low and continuation of what trend. From the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, we would start looking, although from the current structure, it seems to actually sell from here for price underneath this area, of course, invalidates all of this. Now, using our parts, we have price pushing up, retesting, pushing up, retesting, pushing up, retesting, pushing up. So, of course, price underneath this area gives us here as a low. So, somewhere, yeah, I'm surprised between now somewhere around there. You know, you know, what all of those sales this by this area here, good 40 plus pips. Yeah, this also very feasible. We'll see how it unfolds by Monday. No, yeah, it's the weekend, so we're just resting and chilling. Don't forget, we don't chase the market is always right. But the fact that I had my bias here and I was here, I was like, okay, fine, I'll give a price to sell that. That does not mean I'm a bad trader. Feel me? Price is not just go my way, and that's totally okay. I initially caught about 40 pips here. I think I posted this on AG, my Telegram, got all of this, but then I left with like 20 pips. So yeah, same price push up further. If I did previous analysis you had, which of course we already have two biases, one of sell and one of buys. Of course, price above the indication of what more buys. So let's see what market has for us in the coming week. I'm expecting price to actually drop down on due to JPY and continuation of the buys. And mind you, like I said, once again, in the previous Zoom, if you paid attention properly, you can tell from this area here that this is what price has done. Price has pushed up, done this, done this, done this, done this, done this, try to- done this, that's done this, night has done this, and now this is price down here. So price has cleared out this level So there are chances to see price pushing up for boom. Feel me? More sales to the downside. And yeah, mind you, all of these sales to the downside make a lot of sense. Because here, from this structure, we have price pushing up here. From all of here, we had price. Sorry. Take this out. From over here, we had price. No, no, no. All of these structures, this stuff from there. All of these structures are from here. And they're there. We have price testing here. And we have price doing this now. So there are chances we could see price touching exactly touching somewhere around there, and that is somewhat around the highs here. And we see push to the upside. This is just a rough sketch and a rough bias anyways. So let's see. So considering people are giving us what? Higher low. So their transit price going to give us a new higher low function of bias to the upside. And if we go to our daily time frame, it kind of makes sense, you know. I mean, from the daily time frame, this is all we have price up attachment. So your chances have price up here, depending on this area. Consideration of device. Yeah. So yeah, it's even clearer more on the D1. Period. Bad price, bad price pushing, yeah. There are chances retracements, more sales is downside. What do you guys think? Makes a lot of sense to me though. So now, so if we want to, now we're looking for buys, and these buys are retracement for more sales. Don't forget, buys are what retracement for more sales. Until you see price go otherwise. The market is always right, so I'm just following the market. So now our bias now, my main bias now is trying to see price somewhere around um somewhere around this area. Yeah, because it's actually the higher low that price broke out from. Somewhere around there. And then Chelsea downside for the it's like 40 pips. It's like 40 pips go off. When market gets here, we know how to enter the usual way. Same price to this same for entries. So for now, the major bias now, I think the see price drop down, competition of what buys to this area, they will have sales. Mind you, anything beyond this point to competition of the buys in sound, if price pressure goes beyond that area, beyond 200, 526, we're expecting price to actually push up on GBGPY. So we'll see how this turns out in the week. This week is actually promising to be very juicy, guys. I mean, don't miss out on don't miss out on all of this. Do not miss out on any of this. Do some good so you're straight. GBP people actually pushing up here, selling down. This is crazy, bro. Like ICC, ICC rocks, man, bro. Very solid. So we'll see the outcome, anyways. Let me copy this. Should I copy it in the 4 hour? Send to my bro. I think the D1 is kind of prettier. So yeah, this is D1. Yep. Copy an image. Pretty smart, bro. Yeah, taking all the time. Wow. Device is loading. Okay. Well, I could always check it out later on. Let's just continue, guys. So this is my own thoughts for this particular, like in the coming week. I actually want to see price. push up this area and you know I mean price is not really just gonna like buy up once, you know. If in these areas here, actually gonna have price do up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And yeah, just like that, man. Like this shit is actually very easy, bro. All you need to do is just follow the rules, follow the trade, follow structure. Structure is king. You understand? Structure is king. Price doesn't lie, you know. It's just pure price action and market structure. Price doesn't lie at all. Actually, what we see most importantly. And mind you, this is the indication for sales. Price clearance area indication. This is where the ICC comes in. I don't have a correction or what continuation of all the sales. This is D1 time frame. That's why this bias is like that. Anyway, this is my own thoughts for JPKPY. So let's check out G. Let's see how G played. So for GBP USD, which was still kind of like bearish on, well, price did not, the price gets our expected points. You can really mark this out in the last class. Their price is right now is actually a good area to sell some though. This is like a whole lot of views, like 40 plus views. So let me deep, deep into 5 minutes if I can see anything up here. So yeah, of course, I could actually find something up here. Yeah. So good rise actually fell from on GBP USD is 1.34979. 1.34979. Of course, our SL at 1.35099. 35099. I got my entry. See the same old with that. Guys, same price, give us higher high, higher low. So what is meant to continue further? See, this is price doing this. So what is meant to continue further now? She's breaking what underneath, carrying out what this area, carrying out where this area also. So of course, price has done its thing, slow down to wherever it's coming on, spot replacement. Just that easy, guys. You know, if structure goes beyond, that's fine. I mean, it's just my strategy. The strategy I use rather works. Looks out upon the line. Yeah, strategy was like the approach is actually quite awesome. The approach is actually awesome, you know, very cute. So this for USD sells around this area. I mean, price has kind of pushed up above here, so refreshing probably. I don't see price at this area. Comparing with sales, this is like the cool 100 trade there. Guys. There's a lot of home, there's money in this market. See, if you get to see price here, enter your position. You understand? Get into your entries. You see price pull up. You see this pullback, enter somewhere around there. You only see small retracement in between these areas. Of course, price has cleared out this new level to also pull up back. Enter more entries here, bro. You understand? More entries, more entries. You are stacking more because you know price will continue doing that thing, you know. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So you see, the structure is actually kind of clean. I like the structure. It's clean. Like, oh my god, it's a very clean structure. But let's see how it unfolds anyway, guys. Let's see how G goes. Price actually just pushed up further and nothing much. Yeah, because price here, consolidation, minus new higher retracement, higher low, things to come in this area, pushing up further, clearing out. You see, it's the same thing. Now we have price testing, of course, from here. Now we have price pushing up down, giving us this, pushing up, creating highs, guys. Understand? Higher low, creating highs consistently. So this is my expectation, anyways. Boom. So yeah, that's that on GBP USD. Nice structure. I swear, very nice structure. Don't forget, guys, the structure is actually bearish. So I like begin to move. Let's check out. BTC. This year has been a beast mode, guys. Like crazy move. Up at 124K already. Touching heights. You see, we have price we're clearing out here. So by chance, we see if we try to price for a second. We'll know all of this as well to retracement for more buys and a good time to work stacking, you know, high, high, low. You understand? So let's see what's up on. Let's look at bits, let's analyze BTC. Currently the structure is actually very bullish because all of these buys now, all of these buys actually started from here, ended here. You understand? So in between all of this structure, we would not be set. I wouldn't really want to look for sales until you see price out of this box. Like this is what invalidates this structure for sales. Good, it completely earned for sales. But then we've also seen price what give us our retracement. Let's go down to 30 minutes like 15. So yeah, we've seen price give us our what a push up here, retracement, even though this initial low here. So market has just been resting on this area here. The good area also sell from is here, but I wouldn't want to like test this. Let's wait for price to break out from here. So dipping for sales, not comfortable, but of course, price on this here. Once price breaks on this area, once it's certain, there will be a push up back, more sales. But the word of assumption, current structure right now is kind of bullish, bullish. Let's see. Dollar push, it sells, consolidation. If this the market is in between a consolidation right now, just consolidation. So in between of here, I wouldn't want to do anything in between of here, man, because it's just a whole box of consolidation. That's why I don't really make it busy. When that breakout happens, that's the best time fixed on it. Like this one right here, man. I wish I could this from like 28th of September. The time to be alive. Crazy number of peeps, bro. It's like Predator moved up like 1,300, 1,400. Good bread. So this is on this is on BCC, nothing much. Let's see what price has for us. Anything underneath the structure sells this area. Jump buys. So let's look at Euro USD. Hmm. Euro USD. What's this? See my eyes. Oh, Euro USD actually did its area. It's not my eyes, so it's actually with it. See that Euro USD are with this area. It's giving possibility for buys. Actually, it is giving possibility for buys because we actually had our initial buys from where guys, this area here. Don't forget, keep your head in the game. Your head in the game. So you see, we're expecting buys on G to push up. So we have had pricing by daily structure now. The price of price selling to me is like 0%. When price is price doesn't try. Well, I feel it's rare that kind of quite impossible for us to see price now here at this very juncture. See that price out there, you understand? The best price can do right now is actually give me all this. That's where well, let's say I compose anyways. This is just D3. So we'll know how everything unfolds. Everything unfolds in the coming days. But yeah, we'd love to take a press analysis. We want to see price around this area here. Where does actually retest it because structure is king, guys. You just need to be able to see coming down to retest here, man. You understand? Nice, pushing up again. So let's see. Let's see, don't forget all of this structure is still in a bearish trend. It's too high, well, going up to here. Don't forget, guys. So, nothing much. This is day three. I wish you guys the best in the coming week. Stay deep, yeah. Keep trading in BT. I'm keep going to shine. Just believe.